Hello girlfriends, let's have a quick luxury unboxing. I got a few things from both Nordstrom and Saks Fifth Avenue and I just received them. Let's see what we have in these boxes. One, two, and three. So let's get into opening. Let's see how we have. This is just a quick unboxing. Ooh, this is a big one. It's a gorgeous dress from, what's the name? Zimmerman. I just love all things Zimmerman. Do you see? This is the puff ruffle sleeve midi dress. Let's open and see. I'm surprised. I was expecting this to come in a better packaging than this, based on the price of this dress. But of course, I didn't buy it on the retail price as always. You look for what you like, you wait for it to come on sale, and you pick your beautiful dress on sale. It's always nicer that way, right? So it's a cutout. They say midi, but I think this is maxi. It's a long, beautiful, flowy dress. You see all that is going on here. Okay, I think this is the front. Right here is the front. And then this is the back. You have to tie it. It's a bow. It's a beautiful bow on a beautiful summer day. This is what you want to wear. Or along the beach. It's beautiful for the summer months. I cannot wait to rock this. You see, this is Zimmerman. It's a very fine cotton dress. The fabric is absolutely beautiful. It's a bit sheer, if you can see, but it's beautiful, very, very lightweight. These are all beautiful flowers, great for the spring months as well. But you may want to draw on a jacket or something over these. So this is a long, beautiful, flowy dress. I don't know how else to show it. I'll do one review again and insert a picture. But this is it. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. All right. Let's move on to the next. I'm not exactly sure what is in here, but we will see what is here together. Wait, why is this opener behaving this way? Is that not crazy? So as you can see, this is from Saks Fifth Avenue. And a disclaimer right here, all these clothes are from, they are all from the same brand. Zimmerman. I love them. So I always wait for them to go on sale and I pick them right up. This is another maxi dress. It's really laced, as you can see. Very beautiful. For reference, I'm a Zimmerman size 3. Sometimes I'm able to deal with 4 or even 2. It all depends on the cut. And this is it. Do you see? All right. This is also a maxi dress. A little drink up at night. A casual summer night. You could wear this with your slippers. Very sophisticated, but in a very casual fashion. You could wear this. Let's see what is the next one. Let me show you. Just so we are sure it's from this brand. This is the black one. And this is from, you see, the brand Zimmerman.com. We're almost done, guys. I don't want this to be too long. Alright, so that's it for the black one. Let me quickly open this and see. This is a beautiful one for the Easter month. Easter is coming. We'll need to go for brunch, garden parties, graduations, weddings. This is a good one. This is a midi dress. And this is the top of it. Don't worry, I'll show you all this in a better way. Do you see how pretty this is? This is very soft pink, a very wide armhole, V-necked. And this is a size, I think this is a size 3. All of these are size 3s here. See? Size 3. And I cannot wait to put these on. This is a linen material. If you're familiar with this brand, you know the type of linen that they use. It looks and feels gorgeous. And this will be for our spring season and all activities spring. All right, let's see the last box. I think Saks Fifth is the best place to get really deep discounts for Zimmerman dresses. I have been combing the web, and no other luxury store compares to Saks, because no matter how discounted these things are, it's always cheaper in Saks Fifth Avenue. So that's where I get all of my gorgeous dresses from. And this is one other one. This is a white lace dress. Okay, that's about it. So all these are from Saks. They were the lowest price at the time of buying. Immediately I picked some of them up. The prices came even lower, but I couldn't get them in my size. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful silhouette. It's round neck, very classy, very sophisticated in my opinion. Bell sleeves. It has a gorgeous belt over it. Yeah, that is the belt on it. It actually has a belt hose. I don't like that it has a belt because sometimes you just want this out of it. It is a maxi dress. And this is the bottom part. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I'm going to lay all of them on this island and then show you what it looks like until I'm able to one day wear these dresses for you to see. Until now, I need to lay it out so we can see what it looks like. All right. These dresses, until you put them on, it's very difficult to tell unless you search them up and see how they look like from the models. It's difficult to appreciate. Alright, so now I'm going to show you. Those are the dresses I just picked up. Bell sleeves. Those are sleeveless, but gorgeous, gorgeous. For reference, I'm 5'9", and I'm a size 3 in Zimmerman.